if there's one thing that I want you to remember today is your disability can be your starting point. Ladies and gentlemen, I greet you. What a joy to know that you are behind your screen right now watching this video. I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for trusting the ATC, for believing in the ATC for the past 4 years. And you know, as we always say in ATC, we share to improve. So today I came with a message. I came to share a message that together we can improve. By the way, my name is Joel and I'm from DRC. But before I get deeper into my message, I would like just to share a small story about this great man that we know, Malcolm X. So in 1946, Malcolm X was sentenced to jail for 10 years, for 10 long years. Like any other prisoner, he had a choice, either to be passive or to be active during those 10 years. And he has decided to be active. He has decided to teach himself how to read. He was spending the whole day in the library. He was literally writing the dictionary word for word. And you know what was the result? After 10 years, he was totally transformed. He became a new man. He was a gangster before. After 10 years, he became a human rights activist, the man that we know today, we celebrate today. You know, in life, there are moments where you feel stuck. There are moments where you feel like you just can't move forward. There are moments where you feel like there's an obstacle in front of you, something that is preventing you to reach the level that you want to reach. Yes, I know it can be very frustrating. It's happened to all of us. But if there's one thing that I want you to remember today is your disability can be your starting point. And here I'm not only talking about your physical disability, no. It might be your intellectual disability, your emotional disability, your financial disability. Any kind of disability, any kind of obstacle in your life can be actually your starting point. It's only depends on your mindset, on how you respond to it, how you decide to act on it. Look, there is this global pandemic all over the world, that's this coronavirus. And because of the coronavirus, there is the financial crisis. We are all complaining that money has become difficult. And some business even were obliged to shut down. Why? Because money has become difficult. But just when we are complaining, there's one man, Elon Musk, who has made more than 17 billion in just 6 months. He has never done that before. And you know why he was able to make 17 billion in just 6 months? Because he has decided to look at this coronavirus, at this financial crisis, as something that could propose, that could bring him in the next level, that could bring him where he wanted to be. He has decided to act on it differently. Instead of complaining, instead of crying, instead of saying that, oh, business has become difficult, no. He has acted on it. He has seized the opportunity. He has seized this coronavirus as something that could bring him where he wanted to be. Is there any disability in your life? Is there anything that is like an obstacle? It might be in your studies. It might be in your professional career. Or whatever. Is there anything that is preventing you from reaching a level that you want to reach? If that's the case for you, yes, today I want to tell you that that disability can be your starting point. Just as Elon Musk, yes, you can become the person that you want to become if you just decide to act on your disability. Look, this great man, Malcolm X, before the prison, he was a gangster, but after the prison, he became somebody else. Why? Because when he was in prison, he has seen that, okay, here there's nothing that I can do. The only thing that I can do is to work on myself. And after 10 years, he has become somebody different. Because he was locked down. He couldn't do anything. And after 10 years, he was transformed. The same way we are at home doing nothing. We are doing we are doing this lockdown, we are doing nothing. But there's somebody there in the United States, Elon Musk, who has made 17 billion. This just to show you that if there's anything that is blocking you, if you're feeling like you are blocked, you are not able to achieve what you want to achieve, let me tell you that this is the right time for you to become the person that you want to become. Decide to act on it. There is this man that's Nick Vujicic. See, this man has proved to the world that for you to leave an impact, for you to be successful, for you to leave a legacy in this world, man, You don't need to have arms, you don't need to have legs. You only need to have your brain. You only need to change your mindset. See, today he's an entrepreneur, today he's a motivator, today he's a public speaker. He's traveling all over the world. He is a husband, he's a father of 4 children. And you are there complaining. You are there saying that you cannot achieve something because there is this obstacle in front of you. Man, I want you to wake up. I want you to think to say to yourself, no, I want to be the person that I was meant to be. I want to be the person that I was meant to be. I want to be a great person. I want to leave a legacy. Because that was your call. And you cannot do that as long as you keep complaining. You cannot do that as long as you keep complaining that life is difficult. Even if you're here in India, maybe you had some dreams coming in India, you say that, oh, I'm going to study and all, but you come, you find that in the college, they're not teaching you well. Man, let me tell you, just in the same college, there are some people who are getting outstanding. So what is your excuse? What I'm telling you is that in disability, that obstacle that you see, that is preventing you from reaching the level that you want, I'm telling you, if you want to reach a level that you want to reach, you just have to act on your disability. You just have to rise up today. Today I'm challenging you to rise up, to act on your disability, so that you can become the person that you want to become. Do you want to leave a legacy to this world? Do you want people to remember you? Learn how to act on your disability. Be like Nick Vujicic. Life can be limitless for you. Life can be limitless for you. It only depends on you. It only depends on your mindset. Either it is your studies, either it is your business, either it is your work, either it is your marriage, whatever it is. I'm challenging you today to look at it as something that can bring you to the next level. Thank you so much. That was my time. My name is Joel and I'm the head director of ATC.
Oh wow, what a great motivational speech. And if you really want to get more powerful motivational speeches, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like the video, share the link with your friends so that you cannot miss any of these great speeches. Thank you.